What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I have got something super useful for you. I am going to show you exactly how to replace that ugly page URL on your WordPress site and make it look official. So let's not waste a second, let's dive right in. Here I am on my WordPress dashboard and I will go to the page. Here I created a service section, and if I click on this view, see the URL, it looks messy, it looks like a draft, and I want to change this with the actual name of it so that it looks professional. And guess what? You can do that from your dashboard. So now I will show you two easy ways to change this URL. The first one is, all you have to do, just click on this quick edit option. Here you can see the slug. You have to change this with my services. Then click on this update button and now again click on this view. See, your URL is replaced with this. Now you can do this with another method. You have to go to the Elementor and you can see the tools option. Click on this and you can see the replace URL. Here you have to paste the old URL, like I am copying this one, paste it and change this, like if I click on this replace URL, then my old URL will be replaced with my main URL. So this is where we tell WordPress goodbye old link and hello the new link, and just like that you guys are done. It really is that simple, and I hope this quick fix saved you some major headaches. If it did, do me a huge favor, smash that like button so more people can find this video, and if you want to more easy WordPress hacks like this, make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.